I got me a spit, and I know I'm the ish. I'm not even saying nothing. I'm not even doing nothing. But I keep it coming. I'm in the shower humming. This is what I'm up against. Yeah, on a beat. This what it say to me. This what it do to me. Forget all the jewelry. I'm just being me. Motherfucker D. DJ D. My point exactly. It's the way it is. How I handle my biz. I'm just trying to live. Breathe fresh air. And I know for a fact that I really care. I care about me. Myself and I is so sweet. This is what I'm talking about when I open up my mouth. I'm sitting up honest. I'm not promised. I'm just freestyling. I'm just having fun. I am number one. I'm the chosen one. I'm never done. That's what I know of. What am I afraid of? Nothing. Gotta keep going. My face glowing. Yeah. I keep doing what I'm doing. My dreams I'm pursuing. Whatever I like it or not. All I try to do is connect dots. Make my raps rock. And I know that I never stop. Nope, now Philly. I'm just eating up a Philly on a beat at the North Silly. That's when I'm up. I'm a scary mouth. I ain't trying up. I'm just trying to be lazy. I just want to do something to me. Yeah, it drive me crazy. Acting all shady. It don't matter to me. I'm talking to my clone. Spitting on the microphone. Yeah, I'm home. I'm home on the instrumental. I ain't got no issues. I don't need a tissue. No, I don't. But y'all ain't gotta take a vote. It really don't matter. Hold up, I gotta hold my bladder. Oh yes, I will. It's how I really feel. Try to get a record deal. Trying to sit back, relax and chill. I just freestyle to the whole beat. Then I'm on my... I ain't trying to cuss. Matter, I'm just trying to... That's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even playing around. I like how it sounds. You know? I go on with my flow. Yo.